Hi, welcome to this Space Jump feature demo. We've been hard at work adding some great features. We'd like to show them to you. First thing we did was take our data source management out of the company settings tab and move it into its own dedicated data sources page. And this is that. From here, you can see a list of all the data sources that you've added, and then you can drill down and manage the connections for each of those data sources individually. This brings us to our next feature, which is a bulk import for connections. Here you can provide a CSV, click import, and then you can assign the columns to their appropriate fields. We provided this optional team name column, and I have some team data in this import, and then you can import. You can see this new connection was added, and it has 4 teams associated with it. This is another feature we've added, which is the ability to manage teams directly from the connection itself. If I click here, you can see that this connection is associated with 4 teams: HR, team 1, 2, and 4. These teams right here, 1, 2, and 4, were added dynamically with that import. BaseJump checked to see if the team name column had teams that already existed in the database. If they didn't, added it automatically and then associated it with the connection. And for our next feature, we've added schema templating. So now when you create a new data source, you can include Jinja notation into your schemas. So here you can see that I've created this dynamic variable spot right here using a Jinja template for a prefix and then _db. When you provide a schema template like this, you'll be presented with a new field to add the dynamic value for that particular schema variable. In this case, I'm putting HR demo in there. And this works when adding and importing connections as well. So if I were to go into this particular data source and add a connection, you'll see I'm presented with this field. I have to provide the prefix in order to create this connection. Same with the bulk import. If we import our CSV again, you'll see that we have to provide schema variable 1 for our connections. And schema variable 1 just maps to the first variable in your schema. So if you have schema templates that have multiple variables, you'll have other fields here for schema variable 2 and 3 and so on. All right, so those are some of our new features for the data sources in BaseJump. I hope you've enjoyed this demo. Thanks for watching.